Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Windows 11 Cumulative Update KB5064081 or the .NET Framework Update KB5064401 won't install. Let's get started. Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to System, click Troubleshoot and then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This often clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Reset Windows Update components. Search for Command Prompt, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. This forces Windows to rebuild update files. Step 3. Manually install the update. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5064081 and KB5064401. Download the version that matches your PC, x64 or ARM64. Double-click the file to install it manually. Step 4. Check System Files. Still not working? Run repair scans. In the same command prompt, type sfc/scan now. Wait for it to finish. Then type the following command. This fixes corrupted files that can block updates. Step 5. Restart and recheck. After installation, restart your PC. Open Windows Update again, and the error should be gone. That's it. By resetting the update cache, repairing system files, and installing manually, you should be able to fix the installation issues with KB5064081 and KB5064401 on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.